Hi guys, welcome to Ketoverse 24/7. Today we have delicious keto peanut chocolate cups, a low-carb keto recipe. Before continuing our low-carb keto recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates on keto recipes and diet plans. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. So let's continue our today's video, stay tuned. Peanut chocolate cups. A simple dessert that needs only 4 ingredients. Nuts and chocolate always go well together, so these choco cups are a sure hit. Just make sure that the chocolate you use is keto friendly and you are good to go. Servings: 6 small cups. Ingredients: 4 ounces dark chocolate, melted with heavy cream, 2 teaspoons heavy cream, 1 ounce salted peanuts, 2 ounces almond ground. Procedure: 1. Add 3 half salted peanuts in each of the cups in the mold. 2. Pour the melted chocolate mix. 3. Top with ground almonds, just 1 thin layer. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes. 4. Serve and enjoy. Nutritional information: energy 122.5 kcal, protein 3.5 grams, fat 10.9 grams, carbohydrates 2.6 grams. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Please like and share this recipe and do subscribe our channel for more updates on ketogenic diet plans and recipes. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you in the next video.